Know the risk when using AI agents. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI agents, are transforming industries and enhancing our daily operations. However, as we embrace these intelligent systems, it is crucial to acknowledge the risks that accompany their use. Understanding these risks can help mitigate potential issues and ensure that the integration of AI agents is both effective and safe. One significant risk posed by AI agents is the question of data privacy. These agents require vast amounts of data to function optimally, often processing personal information. If not handled correctly, this can lead to breaches of sensitive data, putting individuals' privacy at risk. Users must recognize the importance of data security practices and be vigilant about the information they share with AI systems, ensuring they are operating under robust privacy policies. Another risk lies in the potential for bias within AI algorithms. AI agents learn patterns from historical data, which can inadvertently include human biases. This can lead to unequal treatment of users based on race, gender, or socioeconomic status when decisions are made by AI systems. Therefore, it is essential for developers and organizations to actively work towards identifying and eliminating biases in AI training data, fostering fair outcomes for all users. Moreover, the reliance on AI agents can lead to reduced human oversight. As these agents automate processes and decision-making, there is a danger of humans becoming overly dependent on them. This can result in a loss of critical thinking skills and a lack of accountability when errors occur. Users must maintain a balance between trusting AI capabilities while ensuring that they remain engaged and involved in the decision-making processes where necessary. Lastly, the rapid advancement of AI technologies poses a risk due to the pace of change outstripping regulations. Policymakers often struggle to keep up with AI developments, resulting in a legal framework that may be inadequate to manage emerging risks effectively. As individuals, it is important to stay informed about the regulatory landscape, advocating for responsible AI practices that prioritize human welfare and ethical standards. In conclusion, while AI agents can offer incredible benefits, acknowledging their risks is crucial for the responsible use of this technology. By understanding data privacy concerns, acknowledging bias, ensuring human oversight, and advocating for regulation, users can navigate the complexities associated with AI agents more effectively and safely.